Good morning, James. Well, it's time to do a little chores with the chicks. Brand new 6 little chicks, a couple barred rocks, a couple golden sex links, and a couple Rhode Island Reds. Well, let's see. Looks like they got enough food. Their water's getting low. We'll fill their water. This is Berries. She likes to keep a close eye on those chickens too. A little too close. Just like us, these little guys need their vegetables. This keeps their stomach happy. That barred rock is trying it out. These other ones are a little afraid. Come on, guys. Oh, this one. See, this one right here hasn't been eating his greens, so he's got a little problem we're gonna have to help him out with. These guys are doing good. Yeah. Now we have a special light in here. It's a heat lamp, because these guys were hatched in an incubator, not with their mom, so their mom's not here to keep them warm. So we use this heat lamp and we put it right here so a corner of their cage is really warm, and if they get too warm they can go to the outskirts to cool off. But they're pretty happy chickens. I think we'll change the sawdust underneath too. It's getting a little messy and stinky. And then we'll be done with our morning chores for the little chickens.